What's the meaning of bedding plant? Bedding plant. Bedding plant.
Bedding plant. Bedding plant. A bedding plant is a type of ornamental plant that is typically grown in flower beds or containers for their decorative value. These plants are characterized by their low-growing, compact habit and vibrant, showy flowers. They are often used to add color and texture to garden landscapes, and are popular choices for flower borders, edging, and accent plantings. Bedding plants may include annuals, perennials, and biennials, with varieties ranging from petunias and marigolds to dahlias and delphiniums. They require regular watering and fertilizing to maintain their health and beauty. Bedding plants are widely available at garden centers and nurseries, and can be purchased as seedlings or started from seeds.